Hey, this is something undeniably great and wonderful. Something different. Take a look at this. Now, would you believe this is the sky of Ballesteros? Early morning of June 2011? Oh yeah, as the sun starts to rise from the horizon just above the silent waters of the sea. Look at it. With thick dark clouds hanging all over. Oh yeah, it really offers me an uncomparable joy. Fantastic! And it is my joy to be sharing it with all lovers of nature through the facilities of your balloncam.com. And I must admit, I really love this one. I love it.